While Black Friday sales were going on, I saw these Nothing Ear 2 at a really great price, the new updated Black Edition on sale for a whopping $74, and I just could not pass up this deal. Since there was much hype around these new earphones, I wanted to test them out with my AirPods 2 as those were my daily driver. Just a disclaimer, I am not a sound engineer, just an average user like many of you who will be watching this video. So with all of that out of the way, let's dive into the review of Nothing. You got it, right? Nothing. Since I got these, I quickly did an unboxing because I was eager to test these out, and I was pleasantly surprised to how premium the carrying case felt. The carrying case comes with a USB slot for charging and also a wireless charging, which is located at the base below. On the left section of the USB-C, there is a button which is used to pair this device via Bluetooth to your smartphone or whatever device you want to pair your headphones to. And at the top you can see there's like 3 indentations, and it looks like this is used to keep the earphones themselves steady in the case so they don't move around while you have it being charged or you throw it in your backpack. But this case looks and feels extremely premium. This charging case does support fast charging, so 10 minutes of charge will actually give you 8 hours of usage time. With active noise cancellation turned off, you're able to get 36 hours out of use of this case and 6.5 hours with the earbuds only. But with active noise cancellation turned on, you are bumped down to 22.5 hours with the case, and without the case, with just the earbuds, you're able to get 4 hours of use, which is pretty decent, especially for the price point that I said I got this for on Amazon. Now, these earbuds do come with an IP rating of IP54, and with the charging case an IP rating of IP55, which is water resistant and also some level of dust resistant. Along with that, you're able to get Google Fast Pair with these earbuds themselves, and like Apple, you get ear tips in the size of small, medium and large. And the large, well, the medium is what comes on the earbuds themselves, and I must say, like, these fit perfectly in my ear. In comparison to the AirPods 2 that I have, these are a lot more comfortable than the Apple AirPods 2. Being able to control your earbuds are definitely something that you have to factor in when you're purchasing any types of earbuds these days. And I must say, like, the controls for this definitely pass the test of having some cool ways in order to control the earbuds themselves. So taking a look at this, the single press is able to do play and pause, and also to able to answer and hang up calls. Along with that, you have double press, which is used to do skip and forward and also rejecting calls, and a triple press will be able to do a skip back. Having used these since I got these around 3 days ago, the controls for these are pretty decent, and if you're jumping over from an Apple AirPods, these are pretty easy to get used to. And just to mention, you're able to configure all of these settings for your controls on the Nothing app, both on the Android and iOS platform. Active noise cancellation has 4 modes, which could be easily controlled through the Nothing app. So you have high, mid, low and adaptive, and adaptive seems to be the best option for me that I've used out of all of these 4 options. So with the adaptive feature, what this does, it runs a personalized test on your ear to better able to calibrate to your unique hearing sensitivity. And this is pretty much, I'm not sure how they do it with their algorithm, but this feature still works out to be the best for me. But what I do notice when using noise cancellation, that the higher frequencies still gets through easily, and I'm still able to hear my environment. Not as great as the Apple AirPods 2, but definitely a great competitor in this era of noise. Transparency mode works good. Not great as in comparison to the AirPods 2, but you're able to hear individuals that you're speaking to with these AirPods as clear as possible. The only drawback that I have is that the audio that comes through these tend to be a little bit more muffled and high-pitched, but other than that, the transparency mode works good. Let's just do a microphone test so you're able to hear how these would sound if you would be choose to do or recording, or how the other person on the other end of the call would hear you while you're using these earbuds. So hello, my name is Alex Robinson. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. So that is how these earbuds sound. Please let me know in the comment section, are these earbuds a pass or not so far based upon the video that you've been watching up until this moment. The most important reason for getting a pair of earbuds, or definitely the sound quality, and I must testify after using this for about 4 days now, that these AirPods are built exceptionally well and the sound quality is extremely good. Not great, but it is extremely good. So in the application that Nothing has, they have an equalizer which actually comes with 4 presets that better helps the user experience for your earbuds. So while I tend to listen to a lot of songs that has a lot of bass, and I would simply click on the more bass preset, which does a great job of reproducing or amplifying the bass from the songs that I am listening to, or sometimes I have it on the balance preset, which gives a rich balance experience to my ear. Along with that, I don't really use the treble a lot much. I don't really like how the treble sounds on these earbuds, but the voice itself, if you're someone that listens to a lot of podcasts, the voices on these sound very great. So I've listened to a couple podcasts on these, and I kind of like these a little bit more than that of the AirPods 2. I just like how rich and sharp the voices sound coming out of these earbuds when I have them on the voice settings. And you're also able to do a lot more customization with this app. So you're able to turn up either the mid, the treble, or the bass. You're able to do some configuration, but I tend to just stick with more bass, as most of the times I am listening to songs. And also you're able to do another level of customization on this tab, which I've never used before, and I won't lie to you that I've gone through these settings and actually see how they work. But yes, you're able to do an advanced customization of these earbuds. I think if you're in the market for some earbuds, or you want to be able to give someone some earbuds this Christmas season, definitely consider these Nothing 2 earbuds. If you think about the price point that you're paying for this and the amount of value that you get. So I picked this up for, as I said, $74, and I think on the website themselves you're able to get them for $100, and let's say another sale goes down, you'll be able to get it for even a cheaper price versus $250 AirPods 2. You're getting a fraction of the price with a bunch of the features. If I was able to put a percentage on how much this was compared to the AirPods 2, I want to say this was around 70 to 75% of value that you get in comparison to the AirPods 2. So 75% of value versus a fraction of the price of $250. You definitely won't go wrong with picking up these AirPods. If you do so, let me know in the comment section below. Remember to like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.